the box?
Something very exciting.
Well.
No, it's very exciting.
Should we just rip the box open and show them?
Well, I mean, UPS did a pretty good job of ripping the box open. Because this was like this when it arrived.
One thing that we know is that our video only slightly sucks, but our audio is crap. And as much as I love my Canon EOS 80D, the audio is crap. And we bought another Canon. Well, we bought another camera.
I'm like, we did not buy another Canon.
Nope. We are replacing the EOS 80D as the primary camera with something else.
By the way, we're recording this right now on the GoPro. We filmed this portion using the GoPro Hero 7. Decide for yourself on the visuals. Do you like it or not? But the audio you hear is from the Rode wireless mic.
Yes.
Not from the Go 7.
Or there's no sound at all, and we'll be repeating this in 10 minutes.
If we are, I'm going to be irritated as heck.
Like, does it feel like all we've ever done is try to get sound that doesn't suck? Anyone else out there feel like your videos just suck? And no matter how much you do, they doesn't unsuck. They just suck just as much. So, y'all should be happy. We spent money on y'all.
No, we spent money on us.
Nah, we bought this just for them.
All 406 of them.
Oh, good news. Apparently it actually is the thing we ordered and paid for.
Awesome.
So, voila! A Sony ZV-1. Because apparently, according to the interwebs,
it's a pretty
Sonys don't suck when it comes to audio. From what we have heard, Canon preamps suck, Sonys don't suck, and Sonys are a lot better at low light, and we're a couple cave-dwelling Neanderthals who don't go outside much.
Okay. The Sony digital camera ZV-1. Or as they say in Britain,
Z. Countries. Wait, you're not supposed to open the box yet. This is just the teaser. One thing we actually thought we would do is, just in case anyone else out there cares and maybe looking at getting into this stuff, and we actually thought we would show you what the factory default sound sounds like on our Canon with just the regular microphone, with our Rode, and with the new one. Apparently, the whole thing with Canon is, if you're set up right, the default sound sounds pretty good. The second you get to where one person's in one spot and one's like behind it, it's just really off. And the second you plug in an external mic, it sounds like an angry cat hissing at you.
It does.
And it does. And there's an easy fix. Set it to manual, turn your preamp all the way down. Woohoo! Guess what? Turning it to manual turns it to manual. It doesn't just turn the sound to manual. All the video stuff's there. You're manually setting your F, you're manually setting all your ISO settings, all that stuff. So if you're moving around where you're constantly changing that stuff, you know, that is a problem. If it's just sitting in one spot like this, yeah, you can set all that stuff one time and you're done.
But then the next time you do a video and it's in a completely different spot, you have to set it all.
Yeah,
and
so the suggestion that I had given was to, hey, let me set it to manual or let me adjust the sound manually while it's in the automatic setting. So I can use the video and leave that at automatic and just have the sound ability to turn the preamp down so that I can basically ignore it and use the Rode. But even then, it was required to crank the dB gain up on the Rode, which may or may not be a great thing. So in theory, this solves all of our problems. And if it doesn't, then you internet people, you YouTubers have lied to me, and I want a refund.
Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to be updated when we share new videos. You don't want to miss the Sony ZV-1 unboxing or the comparison video coming up this week.
Okay, I got my Southern Go-Go juice.
Oh, with your wonderful, awesome sweaty cup.
Whew, it's been a long day.
It is recording, correct?
Well, and that's, remember, I kept complaining because this thing keeps locking up. It's like, I am not impressed with GoPro. Really? Are you worried I might damage the thing that I built?
No.
One day we should show them how I built this. Although,
Have footage.
well, you could do a video montage.